Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ping pong tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EastPoint Sports Dominator 18mm top tennis table. This EastPoint Sports ping pong table that has 18mm top can be the envy of your neighborhood and is the meaning of significant worth for the cash. A great quality item and spec with a better cost can't be found on the market. The ideal, smooth addition to any game room or rec room. Highlighting a consistent two-piece tabletop which simply folds up for storage or playback position, the new gravity on center net that is locked, and luxurious corner top ball storage holds numerous balls, hence the play never stops, balls and paddles excluded. Strong 2-inch diameter wheels are well lockable for simple storage and transport. It is simple to adjust at playback position for the single-player rehearse or the two sides fold up and usually lock for storage. The EastPoint Sports table tennis is competitive and fun for grown-ups and also incredible for developing youth coordination. Get one today, your companions and family will adore you for it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Butterfly Junior 3-year warranty 3/4 size table tennis table, fully assembled fold-able with wheels. The Butterfly tennis table gives hours of fun. It is littler compared to standard table, making it perfect for homes in different areas that have restricted space. The surface of playing of this indoor-outdoor table tennis table is around 12 mm thick and is well protected by a solid steel frame. It can helpfully fold up when not being used and be put in storage. The wheels underneath the center point of the table make it simple to move, starting with one place then onto the next when it is folded up. This Butterfly Miniature Junior foldable tennis table is perfect for homes in different areas where a full estimate table would be too extensive. Its playing top is around 12 mm thick and is protected with a solid steel frame and alluring magenta corner pieces that consummately highlight the vibrant green or blue top shading. The table needs no assembly and accompanies an easy-to-utilize butterfly cut net and post set which has the same height from a customary net. The Butterfly table is the ideal decision for families or those just searching for space-sparing fun. At number 3, we have the Harvil I, indoor table with locking wheels and playback feature. This game table that is simple to utilize, sturdy, and versatile, this indoor tennis table by the Harvil is most likely an awesome addition to dens, game rooms, offices. The ping pong table features a strong wood tabletop that is upheld corner to corner by a frame with powder-covered steel and additionally locking wheels, hence you are likewise permitted a non-permanent and portable table tennis setup. Have nobody to play with? That won't be an issue as this table could be collapsed for playback. This element is advantageous as it enables the two parts to stay connected even while collapsed, hence there are no spaces for the balls to drop in. The collapsing highlight additionally takes into account moment storage, ideal for indoor utilize. The table accompanies a dark net having a white strip with two metal posts, yet balls and ping pong rackets are sold independently. The collapsing highlight likewise makes the ping pong table advantageous to store. Your table will come with all the vital parts, without deformity or potentially shipping harm. We'll deliver new parts or a completely new table for free in case of damage or defect. At number 2, we have the Hathaway Maverick table tennis multi-game and 7-foot pool with blue table tennis surface and red felt. The 7FT Maverick pool table conveys great quality billiards, having the additional reward of table tennis, with all at this awesome cost. If you want to play a pool, the table contains a great features and the minimal 7-foot surface for playing fits in numerous game rooms where a bigger table won't. It is best if you need a full size with a minimized room capacity. Remember, keep in your mind that you will require a room of no less than 13 by 11 feet so as to play serenely. Again, this is with 50 inches shorty cues. The cues that accompanied it are fair, yet I recommend purchasing a 4-part cue to better suit for space confinements. Enjoy the fun with included table tennis tabletop. Incorporates every one of the accessories you have to table tennis and play pool. Include this adaptable Hathaway game table to your rec space for quite a long time of gaming fun. 180-day guarantee. And finally at number 1, we have the Stiga Table Tennis Space Saver Table. The Stiga Table Tennis Space Saver Table is a gorgeous table from a brand that numerous table tennis players perceive. For this situation, this is the model for those that need a littler choice for the children, or don't have space for the professional alternatives. The business depictions for this ping-pong table allude to it as a little yet powerful choice, one for those short on space that would prefer not to need to sacrifice quality. Is this quality seen by purchasers, or is the size a burden? There is the sense here that every single new purchaser need to deal with this with mind. Despite the fact that there are some great security features for a stable surface, and the frame is perfect for storage and convenience, there are no issues with potential harm. Those that can move beyond this will find that the Stiga ping pong table is as yet an awesome choice because of the successful space-sparing outline and the general nature of the table. These two halves make transportation and storage simple. In fact, a few guardians have put the two parts in the back of an auto and take them to other relative of youth groups. This is a littler table than many models, at 40.5 x 71 by 30 inches, yet this implies it can fit into a lot of areas. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.